Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in for my daily rundown of the major currencies. I hope you're getting used to the format. So we'll start with the euro dollar, like every day. So we've had some extremely bullish action. However, we found resistance on the daily level. I had in at around 108.20. We have a little double top on the hourly. Uh, there's big bullish momentum. However, we have a lot of reasons to come in short here. We could see this come off before the end of the week. The reasons are on the daily, we got the 200 EMA coming in. We've got limited room to the upside before this trend line. On the hourly, it's a 127 fade. This is a rejection zone. We expect the price to come off here and back down to the 38% retracement. With such a small target in mind, it's very difficult to set up long trades. Hence why I think I'll wait for the market to retrace before looking to take this up. So we'll move on to the pound. The pound has broken out and confirmed from this flag formation, the pennant formation I mentioned previously. We're currently testing the highs today. We retraced on the hour, which does open up the move up to 1.26. This is a realistic target. I think we do see some pound strength along with some dollar weakness. We could see the price up there before, by sort of early next week or even this week. After it reaches that, it's quite unclear. We've got another trend line coming in. We could see a market reaction off of that. So I feel like this is the move that to get on for some bullish pound trades. So with the Aussie dollar, we have continued to weaken after failing to close above the trend line. We're just making our way down to the next resistance, which is at 0.7530. We could, however, see the Aussie strengthen today due to the fact that the dollars it could weaken, and we could see the price retrace on the hourly, which would open up the move down to 0.76, which would help us towards our overall target on the long term. So New Zealand is kind of ranging at the moment. It doesn't have much market direction. We can sort of box up a lot of the price action. We're not really making lows and we're not making highs on the shorter time frame. We're soaking up a lot of bullish momentum from this move up, but we seem unable to break these highs. Currently, we have two active fibs on the hourly, which I'll just show you here. So we got this fib here that has a target of around 0.7120, and then this fib here has a target of 0.7 exactly. It would be nice to retest this round number. I would see some dollar strength in that case. A break of these lows, we could use a breakout formation of this flag formation, breakout strategy even. Any price action below outside of this range would indicate that we're going to reach one of the fib targets before we reach the other. But we seem to be right in the middle of that at the moment, so I'll just keep that on the back burner. So the CAD has confirmed why I don't like looking at markets that don't have overall trend and direction. We can see some huge spikes that are pretty unpredictable. You would have been caught in a lot of fake positions if, for example, you traded the break of this low. You're stopped out within a day, even if you've got a very big stop loss. And again, we've rejected off of a level. We don't seem to be respecting any sort of traditional patterns, so I think I'll move on, find some opportunities in the yen. So the yen, we hit a 60-minute D yesterday. Um, this was below the range boundary, and we did actually weaken after that as well. I'm not 100% certain which direction we go here. There are plenty of reasons for both directions. The 200 EMA on the daily has come in and provided resistance. It would be nice to retrace up towards 113. That would confirm the retracement and open up the move towards 109. However, we might get there without the retracement if we break the 127 rejection zone. This would also open up the move down to 109 and potentially even further. I would take the distance of this range, project it downwards, and that would be my overall target. Or we could even use the daily Fibonacci if it. Yeah, so I'd probably use the daily fib at 109, basically, is my target. So I hope that helps you set up some trades today, and please let me know if you like the analysis, if you think there's something I can improve on. I'm looking to improve on the screen capture software. Other than that, have a great day, and I will check in tomorrow also. Thanks.